Hey everyone, how's it going? It's the Cubeaholic. Today we're going to be doing a video for those somewhat beginners out there looking to advance to a new method. In this example we're going to be doing CFOP, or Friedrich method. CFOP stands for cross, F2L, OLL, PLL. Today we're going to be talking about cross. So I'm sure as a beginner you're probably starting things off with something that looks a little bit like this, the daisy. So this daisy is useful. Then you would bring your edges down like that, but you've probably realized that that's not the fastest approach. So let's get a scramble going, and I'll show you how we get things started here in CFOP. So the first step is to locate all of your edge pieces. In this example we're going to do white. Okay, so we've tracked down all 4 edges here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and lastly 4th one's here. So first of all, we just want to bring them to the right position. So a good way to start it out as a beginner is to find the easiest one that you can put down. How about this one? So instead of bringing them to the top, we're just going to bring them down directly to the cross, even if they're not lined up. There we go. Now we line it up. Cool. This one's pretty easy to bring down. There we go, we bring it down. And then I can see this one is ridiculously easy as well. Lastly, we have this one. You recognize that that's kind of part of that daisy, so you can just bring it over here and shoot it down. And something to realize about cross is you should not be just using R, D, and U moves. Feel free to use any moves you want. Okay, let's do white again. Let's track down our pieces. This one's a little bit tougher. That's alright though. So for this one, I realized that none of them can be moved down in one move. Sometimes that's just the way it is. So what's the easiest one though? And how about, I'd say this one. I can go F prime, and then I'd just go R prime. How about this one? This one we would have to move the D layer over because it has to go back here. So if I move it over and I bring it down, it's going to be in its correct color place. Okay, now I guess I can go for this blue one. So to bring this one down, I can go R prime to line it up, F, and then R. And then for this one, we're going to rotate. We can do an F prime to move it into this position, bring the D layer over, and put it in. So that's the general idea on how you would do cross as a beginner into the CFOP method, and then of course you can always advance. So I hope that helped you if you're switching methods or whatever, just getting faster. I really hope this helped, and make sure to leave some feedback. I'd like to do some more episodes like for F2L, so if you're enjoying this series, please give me some feedback so I can know whether or not I should make more. Alright guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is the Cubeaholic. I'll see you on Cube Day Tuesday, so peace out.